camera ready for that action. Lights, camera ready for that action. Tags, snatching. Designer on designer, it's a habit. Cause baby, it's a look. It's a look. It's a look. It's a look. Don't you see me? Cause baby, it's a look.
Thanks for tuning back in, and if you're not on Cocoa Puff, I don't know what you're doing. You better hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos. I try to post every
playing right now.
That was weird. My Google just said nothing's playing right now. I'm not saying hey Google, like, I didn't even hear this one, but let's start this intro over again. Hey Cocoa Puffs, thanks for tuning back in, and if you're not already a Cocoa Puff, you better hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. I try to post every week now, at least once a week, like every Thursday or Friday, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I decided to come to you guys with a spring makeup look. Yes, you guys are like, what, Rochelle, you do color? I know I don't really usually do color on my channel, so today I did like a spring makeup look. I know it's like spring, but in New York it does not feel like spring. Created this makeup look with these orange and pink colors, and my lips even has those colors too. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, continue watching. First, I'm going to start off using my LA Girl Pro concealer and just applying that on my eyelid just to help the color so it can pop. Since I am dark skinned, these colors would not show as bright if I did not apply this concealer, like a bright concealer. So if you have a white eyeshadow or a light concealer, you can apply that to the lid just to help the colors pop. Now I'm just gonna blend that out using my any blending brush that you have. You could blend it out. And as you can see, this helps my eyelids maybe brighter for the eyeshadow so it can pop more, so the color could show more. As my transition color is this orange color. Yes, we're gonna play with colors today. I know it's like, I don't really usually play with colors. I like my neutral looks, but I wanted to actually do a look with colors, especially because it's spring. Actually, it is spring in New York, and it's like 50 I'm not 50, it is spring in New York and it's like 30 degrees still. Can you believe it? Yeah, so I'm gonna take this beautiful color from the Luxe Color collection. It's like $1.49 for this beautiful color in the beauty supply store, and I'm gonna apply it as my transition color. Applying this Luxe Color is basically in the beauty supply store for $1.49, and I'm applying that as my transition color. I'm going to take my Modern Renaissance palette, the Anastasia palette, and apply this color here, this orange color. Apply it on top of that transition color. I wanted to play with yellow, but can you believe I have no palette that has yellow? I really do not play with colors. Yeah, so that's why we're using orange. I'm going to use this pink from the same Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just going to take this pink and just apply it to the outer corner of my eyes. The pretty pink. Hope you guys seeing that. So on the center, we are going to add this pretty color from, sorry guys, my camera turned off, but I took this NYX single eyeshadow in the color Glided. Okay, this is how it's looking. I'm going to take the same transition color, the brush alone. I'm not going to apply any more products, and just blend that out. taking my NYC liner and just creating a wing line. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna first prime my face. I'm using something new today, the Too Faced. I'm using the Too Faced primer. Face primer. It's called the Hangover RX. Since this is a spring makeup look, or it could spring or summer, I'm gonna take my liquid illuminator, the NYX liquid illuminator called Sun Goddess, and just apply it to my face. This will help with to add glow to your foundation. Before applying that foundation, I'm using a lot of NYX products, I know. Mostly put on the areas that you would highlight, like your nose. I'm gonna take my foundation. Yes, I'm gonna take my NYX Total Control foundation in the color Chestnut. I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend away. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my NYX Total Control. Yes, I'm taking a lot of NYX products today, so this might be like a NYX full face makeup routine. Taking this NYX product in NYX concealer in Deep Profound CO9 and just applying it as my concealer. This has a really nice orange undertone, which is perfect for dark skin, and it's like really full coverage. So this reminds me a lot of my Kat Von D concealer, because my Kat Von D concealer is big. Alright, so I'm taking my wet beauty blender and just dabbing away. Alright, this thing dries real fast, and this is a little bit too bright for me, but I can make it work. I'm just gonna take the same foundation brush and just blend that all out because it's too bright. I want to take my NYX Mineral Set and Don't Forget It setting powder in medium dark. I usually use my Laura Mercier, and the Laura Mercier actually brings color to my face. This one hopefully doesn't look like it's going to bring much color to my face because it is a bit bright. Oh no, it is white. Yeah guys, so I'm not really feeling this setting powder, so I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier and hopefully I can just apply it on top of that. This one was not working. It's just like really white, making me look like a ghost. As in like this medium dark, you see, it has like this nice orange undertone. I think this will work a little better for me. And I look real white, but we're gonna contour this face. Alright, so I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Dark 58. I'm gonna use that as my contour. I'm gonna take this bottom part of the beauty blender and just blend that in. And now I'm gonna take this powder from L'Oreal that I always use in Deep Mocha. Okay, I went on and applied my eyelashes. I'm using lashes in a box in a set. They come like this. I only have a few left. So now I'm going to use the same transition, the same little eyeshadow that I use as my transition color, the orange one, and just apply it on my as a blush. But you're not gonna put so much. Don't do that much. Just add a little bit. And I'm also going to work that under my eyes just to bring some color. I'm going to use that same one and just apply that beneath my eyes. And I'm going to take the same yellow that I used on the center of my eyes and apply it to my tear ducts. I'm going to take the CoverGirl mascara, the Volume Lash Mascara, and just apply it to the bottom. I know this is kind of thick, so if you have a smaller one, it would be better. I was about to say I want to be extra careful, and I already made a mistake. Okay, and now I am going to set my face. I'm going to use my finish. So I'm going to just take this one and just apply it to my face. Before I apply the highlighter, I'll just use the NYX highlighter and just apply it to the top again, since this is like a NYX tutorial. This is just like really subtle for me. I think I'm just gonna go in and apply my other highlighter on top of that, because if it's summer and spring, I need my glow to pop. I'm gonna use the Cheeky Bronze MAC highlighter and apply it to on top of that. I love highlighter. Much better. Much better. I'm gonna line my lip with Chestnut. And I'm gonna go in with this. I'm thinking if I should do like a matte look or like a pinkish look. I'm gonna take this nude color called Swag. It's a bare mineral lipstick, and I'm just gonna put it on the center of the lip just to help that color because it's too bright. And let that dry. And I'm feeling like putting that gold in the center of my lip. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing too much. Let's see how that looks. Girl, I don't know what you're doing, but makeup is to have fun with, so I'm just gonna put that in the center. Ooh, it's so pretty. Completed look, guys. Like summertime goddess, summertime glow, springtime glow, you know, colors. Not that much because I'm not such a colorful girl, but I wanted to play with colors today. I will be doing more colors. I think I need to get myself into more colors, but I'm not gonna go overboard with different colors. But it's not that bad. I really like it. Came out looking great. And if you're not already a Cocoa, ooh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not already a part of the Cocoa Puff Gang, I don't know what you're doing. You better hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos and not miss any of my videos. And if you're already a Cocoa Puff, thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.